Hi guys, I finally gotten to the hotel. We are in Austin, Texas tonight for literally less than 13 hours. So let's get on ready and chit chat a little bit. Before we continue on with the chit chat, I just want to show you a little overview of the room. It is actually really cute. It's really cute. It's really quaint. It's a lot more spacious than I was expecting. This is the bathroom. Then you have the vanity area right out here. When you enter, I didn't get to show you this, but it does have a little kitchenette nook. I don't really know what they call that, and I believe that's the capital of Austin, like the Capitol building. I've been there before in the older Austin vlog, but I can hear it. You can't really see, but the fridge is in here as well. And then here, standard closet. Ooh, guys, we have robes. Okay, we're gonna get undressed and put the robes on. I'm gonna actually shower. I don't like to, yeah, I'm gonna have to shower before I put the robes on. That's not me. I need to shower first. And then put the robes on. And then we're gonna do like a whole skincare chit chat. But we're now in the bedroom slash living room slash office area. I'm loving the black and white pictures. It's giving me inspiration. First of all, the black frames, I love. I absolutely adore, actually. Beautiful portraits. Yeah, it's giving me inspo. I really like it. It's very simple, to the point. Then we have our little desk area and another beautiful round mirror. Sorry about the lines. And then this is our view. We have a little courtyard right outside. Some more seating area. And that's really it. Let me just go shower really quickly and then we'll do our makeup together. Oh, someone's knocking. Coming! We got a microwave. So not every room has a microwave, and as crew members, depending on the hotel, depending on the country, our rooms have one, or we can request one, or they're in the lobby or on the second floor or the fourth floor or just some weird area. But we do get a microwave because, as you know, we are traveling often and some of us pack lunches, so we need a way to warm up our food. So that's in our contract that we do get a microwave. All right, catch you guys in literally a second. I forgot my rings, unfortunately, so no rings for me to take off, but I'll be back home tomorrow. That'll be okay. We'll be okay. The backs of these pins, they're so tiny, they get lost easily and they fall out easily as well. Like, they're really so fickle. I can't even show you without it falling out of my hand. Alright, the rest of this isn't for your eyes, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, I'm back. So I'm not in the robe, I'm in my Jamaica t-shirt because I was about to put the robe on, and when I was taking a further look, sorry, I had to throw something out. When I was taking a further look at the robe, I realized that it had some like makeup stains on it or whatever. It was giving me the ick, so I'm not even gonna put that on. But we are gonna wash our face together. Let me just bring all the stuff that I'm gonna put on and show you what they are. 3 simple products. I'm also not gonna brush my teeth yet. Probably not even tonight. I do brush my teeth every day though. Don't play, because I'm gonna go eat some food in bed. I know it's after 12, but I'm hungry and I'm gonna indulge. But let's take our earrings off. We're going to use the Folic Acid Brightening Cleanser by the Inky List. We're also going to use Supergoop SPF 50 Everyday Lotion. Even though it's nighttime, I love to use this product. It's just amazing. And then I have some tretinoin that was recommended by my dermatologist. We'll be using this as well. It's 0.025%. I need a higher percentage because I've had this for the better part of 7 months now, like over 7 months. So let's start with this. This is probably my 4th cleanser. I had taken a break from it for a while and I started using back. Don't mind the little white stuff in my hair, it's just gel. Hold on. I started using back CeraVe. Love them, absolutely love them. I think after this is done, I'm gonna use them back again. But after the CeraVe, I started using the Tatcha. I think it's the rice water cleanser. And both of them served me for what they needed to serve me for. And oh my god, look at all this makeup in the sink. And it was perfect. It was perfect. But my face got used to it. My face gets used to things and then it starts to like break out. Like it doesn't do what it's supposed to do for me anymore. That's why I have to use these things in intervals. I know I'm looking crazy, but I was wondering why it wasn't draining. We're gonna double cleanse. I normally, okay, calm down. I normally don't double cleanse, but I do have on a good amount of makeup. And this cleanser is very affordable to double cleanse. Plus I like when my face is all sooty. Gotta get the mascara off the lashes, so I like to pinch it. I really hope you can hear me and I hope the audio sounds amazing. But yeah, one question that I tend to get often about the hotels during layovers is if I have to pay for the hotels. But no, the airline pays for it. I'm still at work. I'm still getting paid right now. It's not as much as like flight hour pay, but I'm getting paid right now. So yeah, they have to put us up. All right, I think that's good enough. Water gets everywhere when I wash my face. And I'm thinking about investing in one of those arm things and headband things. But I don't know. I don't know if I want all of that Trying to keep my hair nice and flat. I have one leg tomorrow. I am so grateful because I'm really tired. I'm actually so surprised that they even called me. Like, why are y'all calling me? I picked this trip. Well, I picked the reserve availability period, which is basically a time that, you know, we're at home waiting to get called. Instead of being at standby at the airport, we're at home waiting to get called, basically. I picked the one that started at 5 a.m. the next day. 5 a.m. the next day. And ends at 5 p.m. Tell me why. I just finished with my trip yesterday. I think my trip ended at 4:30. Call it 4:30. I was in the employee parking lot by 5. I was on the Van Wyck by 5:15. Tell me why I got assigned a trip. I got assigned a trip at like 5:30. I was like, are you kidding me? 5:30 p.m. the previous, like my reserve doesn't start until 5 a.m. the next day. I was just like, are you kidding? Because before mine, there is a 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So even if I was supposed to get used, I'm not expecting to get used until like 1 o'clock the next day, you know? Or even, call it even 10 a.m. the next day. They assigned me a trip before I even got home. When I tell you, when I saw that, I was depressed. Like, I was so depressed. I was like, God, please help me. Please take the wheel because I can't drive the rest of the way home. That was just a trip knowing. And now we're going to put on the moisturizer. Now, I don't know if these chemicals are not supposed to be interacting with each other, but it hasn't done anything crazy to me yet. Knock on wood that it doesn't. But this is the combination that I like to use. And this is it. I'm gonna just keep it on my hands. Keep it on my hands, keep it on my hands, keep it on my hands, keep it on my hands. Alright. Are you really a black girl if you don't tie your hair down at night? No, I'm just kidding. But am I? Gotta make sure it's tied. It's laid. Put the hair down now. Relief. Oh my God. I'm about to take this sewing out, guys. It's been almost 3 months. I'm in the 3rd month, but it hasn't been a full 3 months yet, but almost. Let's go eat. I think we deserve to lay in bed and eat and just watch a movie and enjoy ourselves. So let's go do that and yap. Guys, look, we have a tablet. What? I've never been in a hotel that had a tablet. How do I make it work? Are they listening to me on this? That's something you gotta worry about. Oh, I can set an alarm. Okay, let's set an alarm for 9 a.m. 10:40. Yeah. Oh, we got an alarm. Let me make sure the volume is all the way up. Okay, volume is on 100. It's 69 degrees outside. Yeah, it's not really that smooth, but that's cute. They get 10 points to Gryffindor. What? This is really nice. And it has a little station like by your bed. Oh, that's cute. They ate. They ate. Okay, girly pop. So I looked over at my camera and I saw 12 hours and 37 minutes worth of like storage of video like that I could create. I'm like, the fuck? I was like, what? What? Because I know for a fact that I had about 3 hours left on this memory card. So where did 12 come from? So I guess my finger had accidentally hit into the slow motion settings for the camera. So all that I was here yapping about food and packing your lunch kit and the mini fridge that somebody left open that is actually warm. So now I'm kind of upset because my food needs to go in the mini fridge. But anyways, that's all that. I'm gonna just show you really quickly my haul. I think God is telling me to wrap it up and actually go to bed. But we are about to eat some seaweed. Mommy bought this for me. She realized that I was actually starting to get depressed because I'm super duper tired and they keep using me. So she bought me some sushi and she's like, enjoy. So I have that. I also got some pomegranate. I was talking about this too, that it makes more sense to actually buy the fruit and de-seed it. I don't even know if you call it de-seeding, and we talked about this, but I didn't catch that on camera because I was yapping away again. It makes more sense to buy it and then just de-seed it yourself because you save so much money and it's therapeutic. That was long story short. Then I also have some cabbage and mince that I plan to eat for lunch. I also did a taste test. I did a taste test of the Japanese ginger ale that I found on the plane. I explained to you how I found it. That's out the window. I ain't gonna be doing that again, but it's nice. It doesn't like obviously taste like our ginger ale because you know different countries, if you didn't know, different countries have different ingredients that they banned, that they deem so unhealthy that it's illegal to put in certain things. The UK is pretty big on this. A lot of their items that we have in the US could never pass in the UK to be put in food, but here we are. So it definitely tastes different. Low key, I think I like the US ginger ale more. Not because it's sweeter or something. Maybe it's because I'm just more used to it. But this is giving me like a club soda, like a ginger ale X club soda taste. And it doesn't give you the aftertaste or the lasting taste of a ginger ale. Like as I drink it, it just gone. Like as I drink it, it tastes like the regular ginger ale, and then it just gone. Like I have no taste on my mouth, none. So I don't know. The bubbliness of it is about the same. It's about the same type of bubbliness, but like I said, as you drink it, give it like not even half a second, and the taste immediately disappears. So I don't know. Maybe it's me. I haven't really been drinking soda like that in the past year, so maybe it could be me. Somebody else need to taste test that. It's time for me to go. Time for me to go. So I think I'm going to continue this vlog on, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Members of the public are warned not to approach the suspect, but to notify police of any possible contact. This is the first confirmed. You weren't answering your phone.
If someone followed you, they didn't give me a choice.
Kids.
But I had to.
Well, they're looking for you.
I have an idea.
Oh, wow. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're going to start with taking our contacts, putting our contacts in. I'm literally so blind. Look at my little contacts. Yeah, I started wearing contacts in high school. Is it in high school? Yeah. I've been wearing glasses for a good while, and I've always wanted, like, ever since I found out about contacts, I wanted to wear contacts. But I always gotta look in the mirror because, girl, I don't play by my eye. Let's try to do this one without being too close. Can you see? It's so hard. My eyes are getting red already. Is it in? Ooh, I can see. Ooh, and I look tore up. All right, these are in. We're gonna wash our face. I always clean my glasses before I put them back in the case because I like to take out my glasses and put them on immediately. So I think this is me trying to be proactive by just cleaning them and then putting them back in my case. Just makes everything so much easier. These, by the way, are Burberry. You guys helped me pick them in a vlog. They're by Burberry, and this is what they look like. They're really, really cute. I love them. I love the hunter green color. I don't know. I think it goes with everything. It's so perfect. So Let's give our face a quick wash. Gotta get all up in there for the angles. I'm just doing this one wash on my face. Quick little 30 seconds here, 30 seconds there. Guys, I'm so excited to be going back to Jamaica. Granted, it's just for the week of Christmas, but I'm so excited. We got our little toothpaste. Something's wrong with the sink. I don't like that little after sound. If you know anything about, what do they call this? Piping? My face is not looking cute. All right, while my face is still wet, I'm gonna put on the Supergoop SPF 50. I watched a video, I think, of a dermatologist talking about how your skin absorbs better when it's wet or something like that. I don't know, something along those lines. So every now and then I'll moisturize my skin or my face in general when it's wet. Low key, I hate moisturizing. I hate wiping down my face. Like, I like for it to air dry. So I'm like, if it's gonna air dry, I might as well put the moisturizer on it so it can dry. With the moisturizer. That's really it. We're gonna put these away so we don't leave them behind. And I'm gonna lay in bed and watch some TikTok videos. I've already talked to God. I could talk to God some more, but I'm feeling pretty good. We have, oh, my watch is in there. Let me check the time and I'll let you know when I've gotta leave, what time it is right now, and when I gotta get ready to get picked up. So see you in bed. It's currently 8:12 a.m. Pickup is at 10:46, so I'm not gonna get ready until like 9:30. I'm gonna go lay in bed. I'm actually gonna eat some breakfast, some cheese and some fruits and crackers. Call that my breakfast. And yeah, just slump it away in bed. I'm gonna put my device back in my bag because it's all charged up. Never want to forget anything, especially a work device at home or at a hotel, on the plane. You will get in trouble for that. So I'm trying to be very mindful. Whenever it's done charging, I put it right back in its safe space. All right, let's go get breakfast. I always leave the door open to the fridge because in my last video, I don't know if you've watched it yet, but I forgot my tacos. And that's because I didn't have my lunch kit and I had locked the refrigerator door. So I forgot I even had anything in the fridge. So if it's open and I'm constantly reminded that, yeah, Bicana, you got stuff in here, I can never leave it again. You get me? Like, that's at least what I tell myself. But it hasn't failed me yet. Scrambled yum yum. A pepper.
sparkle vibe very well in a way that it doesn't look. And I think this screams definitely like birthday, party, New Year's, something. And stuff like that. I think this would be another great option for like a birthday. Brand I love to shop at in multiple colorways. Brand in general, but like they are kind of mostly known for this dress that they do.
Ironing my uniform. I'm gonna iron on a bed. I don't care. I just remember growing up, and when I used to iron on the bed, my grandma would be like, "Don't bun up my sheet, don't bun up my bed." I'm like, "Grandma, there's no way I'm going to burn up your sheet or your bed by ironing this." It would always make me laugh. You gotta love her. But yeah, I don't know. I love an ironing board, but just having to take out the ironing board and set up the ironing board always seemed like a lot to me. I hated doing it. I used to iron my school uniform every Sunday as like a part of chores in a sense. So it just, you used to hate it, girl. I used to hate it, but can't go to work with crush up clothes, so have to do what we have to do. I have about 20 minutes to get downstairs, and for the most part, I'm already ready. I just wanted to rub the iron over this and make sure it looks presentable for work.
Just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I love you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know.
Alright guys, so our flight is actually delayed. So I'm gonna get me a quick lunch. I already have like dinner. I was planning to warm it up on the plane because our flight was gonna be almost 4 hours, probably 3 hours and like 40 minutes. And it's just so disappointing. We got to the gate and it says boarding in 22 minutes. And then we find out from the gate agent that the plane hasn't even left the location. So we have to wait for it to come. Fortunately for us, we're in Austin and the plane that we're taking to Phoenix is coming from Dallas. So it's not a long flight and we shouldn't be severely delayed. So I went to Einstein Brothers Bagels and I got a brisket 1 egg sandwich on a jalapeno bread, a jalapeno bagel. It came up to $10.21 and then I had $1 discount and a bunch of taxes still brought it over to $10.23. But I was gonna buy some tacos, but tell me why the tacos is this small for one, and they were almost $6. I'm like, I'm not paying $6 for no taco that's the size of my finger. So I was like, okay, I'm not paying for that. And she's like, all right, well, have a good day. And I'm like, in my mind, I was like, okay, I sure will, because I'm not paying for that. Like, do I look stupid? I'm not. Nobody's gonna make me spend no $6 for no maga taco. Are you crazy? Anywho, I'm just ready to be on the plane. I got my little fan here because I have literally 3 layers and a scarf. So I'm starting to sweat. They're gonna call my number soon, so I'm gonna go back over to the waiting area and then I'm gonna find a little corner and then come back to you guys. They're gonna call my number next, so I'm just gonna head further or closer to the area. Oop, I thought that was my number. Thank you. Guys, I'm literally burning up. I think I'm gonna have to take some of these layers off So let's get to it. This scarf is from Zara, but I think my mom bought it several years ago, at least 3 years ago. Whew. When I tell you I have on 3 layers, I have on this winter all-weather jacket, I have on this blazer and a long sleeve dress. Ooh. And I'm about to eat something warm. I don't know how the audio sounds for this, but I'm trying to talk low because I have a feeling that it may be really loud, especially because I'm still getting used to the microphone. So the audio levels throughout this video may be crazy. So please don't judge me. I'm still learning. And if you like how it sounds, drop a comment down below and let me know. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna take off some of these layers and start eating this food and keep watching my series. By the way, if you're interested in knowing, I'm watching The Devil's Hour Season 2. I watched Season 1 a couple years ago and I loved it so much that I had to rewatch it just to watch Season 2 so I could be really like in tuned. It's a good show. It's really, really good. I can't wait for Season 3 and I'm not even done with Season 2. Let's set up for work. Alright guys, so I can't talk for long because we are delayed and we're about to board. So what I'm gonna do is set up my cart really quickly and then probably just show you a quick little phone video, like 3 clips of what it looks like. But I will see you guys when I get to Phoenix because we do go from Phoenix to New York tonight. I'm already really tired, but let's go. Guys, we just landed in Phoenix. We still have some people that are deplaning. A lot of people are very upset because the flight was delayed and a lot of people have missed connections, which is very unfortunate. But don't take it out on the gate agents and the flight attendants because we have nothing to do with that. We just try to assist as best as we can. But it's almost empty. We still have somebody in the bathroom, so I'll come back to you when we're in the terminal. I have 41 minutes until boarding. I was gonna buy some chocolate, but they got rid of sales associates. Everything is a machine, and I want to get my discount. So on the machine I hit I think it was like get help or something. So when I hit the button, the customer representative is supposed to come over, or the sales associate is supposed to come over. My girl don't even look my way. So you know what I'm doing? I put on back the chocolate them and I just dipped out because it got to be a reason. It has got to be a reason. God was telling me, girl, it's not worth it. So I'm gonna eat these pretzels and I have some other snacks in my bag. But I'm just ready to go home. I actually have dinner. So as soon as I'm done with service, I'm gonna put the dinner in the oven and eat the dinner and save $5. Oh, they're so cute. It's a long day. Not getting back to New York until 11:33 p.m. And I'm hoping that they're delayed. Every other flight can be delayed. This one must delay too. So it goes into tomorrow, which is my flex day. Devious, I know. Fight me. But yeah, they're gonna start coming, so I gotta go. Guys, setting up this galley is literally one of the hardest things to do because these are so inconvenient. Not only that, but they're actually also very scary. But that's for another day, another story. So I'm gonna have to set up these toppers and clear a whole cart because I refuse. I really refuse. I'm gonna have to set them up, clear a whole cart, and make space so I can set it up how I normally like to. Because with these, you have no space. And then behind them are more inserts like that are just empty. So useless. I can't. So I have a lot more work to do. I'm actually gonna change out of my heels, which I normally save to wear during the safety demo. But y'all, I need to get to work. So we're gonna have to put the flats on and really roll our sleeves up and get to it. So I can't really show you any of that right now, but I hope you appreciate, I tried. It's currently empty and I think we have like 15 minutes left. So let me get to work, babes.
Wait to taste your skin.